attention to how the third candle closes to see what kind of fair value gap we have, okay? Scenario one is if we have a weak bullish close like this is telling me that it has an easier chance for price to come in here to this imbalance retrace before it wants to continue higher, okay? If this one has the third candle closes very strong, then that's showing me that price doesn't want to retrace into here, okay? It just wants to take the price up now, okay? The third candle is if we have a very aggressive reaction and then we have a bearish close, that's telling me that price has an easier chance of inversing this. Okay, I'm gonna go through the chart and I'm gonna show you examples of this right now. We're gonna go through the examples that all right, now we're gonna go through the chart. We're gonna compare it with the examples that I just explained and what we're seeing on the chart. Here's the first example, 1, 2, 3, three candle pattern, okay? Look how the third candle rejected aggressively off the second candle. What does that mean? That means that it has an easier chance of when it retraces to inverse it and take it to the other direction. Okay, now let's scroll over and see which one that was. Okay, that was scenario 3. Okay, now let's find another example of that. Okay, right here, this one right here. Three candle pattern, 1, 2, 3. We aggressively reject the second candle's high. And when we retrace into here, we have the market taking it to the other direction. Okay, let's see if we can find another example of that. Here, this is an example of when it doesn't always play out. Okay, not everything is 100% in trading. It's all about probabilities, right? So here's another example. Okay, we aggressively reject the second candle's high. When we retrace into here and we get a slight push down. It's not a full move down. Okay, the other ones you saw when we looked over, they literally went to the other direction, right? Okay, look, went to the other direction completely. Okay. Now, that's an example of when this plays out and when it doesn't play out. Now, okay, let's find some breakaway gaps, okay, where we just see price taking off, okay. Bearish example of a breakaway gap, okay. Look how the third candle closes aggressively past the second candle's low. That's telling me that it doesn't want to retrace, it wants to push price now. Okay, can you see that?